This familiarisation video has been developed to help trained operators of powered access equipment understand the general safety and operating features of this machine. Whilst every effort is made to ensure the information provided is accurate and up to date, Nationwide Platforms accepts no liability for reliance on the contents of this video, which has been produced for guidance only. It is not intended to replace the manufacturer's manual. This machine is an IPAF Category 3B Mobile Elevating Work Platform, or MEWP for short. If you do not hold this category license, then you should consult your employer. Do not operate this machine. Operator responsibilities. Before using the machine, please ensure the machine has an up-to-date, thorough examination. It is a mandatory requirement that a pre-use check is completed. This should include a full function check of all controls, including the emergency lowering control. Please refer to the machine warning decals and operator's manual before use. Ground controls. The key switch and boom functions, including the emergency stop and auxiliary system, can be operated from the ground control panel. Visual and audible warnings are activated when the relevant functions are operated. Engine RPM and boom speed function can be altered to increase or decrease boom speed. Platform controls. To operate the machine from the platform, the ground key switch needs to be in the platform position. Enter the platform. Attach your full restraint lanyard to the designated anchor point. Pull out the emergency stop and activate the heater plug switch. Release and then hold the starter switch until the engine starts. Once the machine is running, activate the control panel by holding down the foot switch before operating the desired function. Extending and retracting axles. To operate the axles, the key switch must be turned to the platform controls position. Enter the platform. Attach your full restraint lanyard to the designated anchor point. Start the engine. Once the machine is running, activate the control panel by holding down the foot switch. Move the drive controller in the forward or reverse direction and push the extending axle button. The axles will begin to extend. The indicator light will flash during the extend process and stay on when fully extended. Note: the axles will only work when the machine is moving. Drive speed. This machine is fitted with a four-wheel drive high-torque drive system. To operate, press the drive option toggle between high-speed drive and high-torque drive. These options are cancelled out should the boom be elevated, to which the drive speed will be reduced to an elevated creep speed. Using the coloured direction arrows, operate and drive the steer controller in the desired direction. Steering. The machine has four modes of steering: front wheel steer, rear wheel steer, crab steer, and all-wheel steer. Press the on button to toggle through your options. Drive enable. Once the boom has been rotated past the drive wheel from the normal operational position, the drive is cut out. To continue to drive, hold the drive function enable switch and, using the coloured direction arrows, operate the drive steer and controller in the desired direction. Please refer to the operator's manual for more information. Boom operating envelope. This machine is fitted with working envelope sensors that will stop operations or an action is needed to be completed. This will be shown on the platform panel indicator lights. The operating envelope indicator lights will come on to notify the operator that a function has been interrupted, and in some cases, an action will be required by the operator. If the raise boom indicator light is flashing, continue extending the boom and raise it until the indicator light is off. If the retract boom indicator light is flashing, continue lowering the boom and retract the boom until the indicator light is off. If the machine not level indicator light is flashing, the tilt alarm will be sounding when the light is flashing. Move the machine to a firm, level surface. If the platform not level indicator light is flashing, the tilt alarm will be sounding. The platform level toggle switch will only work in the direction that will level the platform. Level the platform until the indicator light is off. Platform out of level, P22 code. If the ground control LED display shows platform out of level and P22 code is visible, the platform level controls will have been deactivated. In the unlikely event that this situation occurs, it is critical that the manufacturer's procedure is adhered to. Overload warning. This machine is fitted with an overload protection device that will sound an alarm and cut out the functions if the platform weight limit is exceeded. How the overload system affects the machine's functions depends on the serial number and the year of manufacture. Remove the weight from the platform until the light goes off. Refer to the Safe Working Load decal, the operator's manual, or the manufacturer's data plate for this information. Tilt alarm. This machine is fitted with an alarm that will sound only when the machine is on a slope. Do not depend on the tilt alarm as a level indicator. If the tilt alarm sounds when the platform is raised, use extreme caution to retract the boom and lower the platform. Do not rotate the boom while lowering. Once fully stowed, move the machine to a firm, level surface before raising the platform again. Auxiliary system. In the event of an engine power failure, it will be necessary to use the auxiliary power system. If it is used from the basket, pull out the emergency stop button to the on position, press down the foot switch, then operate the auxiliary membrane switch on the platform panel. If a person on the ground is to operate the auxiliary system, pull out the emergency stop and then turn the key to the ground position. Use the ground control panel auxiliary switch to stow the boom. For further assistance regarding this procedure, please consult the operator's manual or contact Nationwide Platforms Technical Support. All emergency lowering plans can be viewed and downloaded from nationwideplatforms.co.uk or scan the QR code on the machine. Securing the machine. At the end of use, return the turntable to the normal drive position, retract and fully stow the boom. Park the machine in a secure designated location and switch the ground control key switch to the off position. Push the emergency stop button in and finally remove the key. Lifting and point loading. For the machine unladen weight, refer to the manufacturer's information plate or operator's manual. Alternatively, contact Nationwide Platforms. Thank you for watching this familiarisation video. If you require technical support, contact 0845 745 0000 and select option 2. Please state the E-code and serial number which can be found on the identification plate. If you are in any doubt over the safe operation of this machine, do not continue. Please consult your supervisor. IPAF training is available from Nationwide Platforms by calling 0845 745 0000 or visiting nationwideplatforms.co.uk/training.